She is a scientist.
She is a scientist.
These are flowers.
These are flowers.
This is a computer.
This is a computer.
He is a lawyer.
He is a lawyer.
That is a bicycle.
That is a bicycle.
They are tourists.
They are tourists.
She is your sister.
She is your sister.
Those are hangers.
Those are hangers.
They are students.
They are students.
This is a phone.
This is a phone.
That is a pilot.
That is a pilot.
She is a nurse.
She is a nurse.
Those are balloons.
Those are balloons.
It is a cake.
It is a cake.
They are athletes.
They are athletes.
This is a guitar.
This is a guitar.
That is an artist.
That is an artist.
He is a chef.
He is a chef.
Those are keys.
Those are keys.
That is a puppy.
That is a puppy.
She is a painter.
She is a painter.
They are doctors.
They are doctors.
These are paints.
These are paints.
This is a book.
This is a book.
That is a pencil.
That is a pencil.